Manuel, and today we have a new demonstration here at tmfloralschool.com, and we will do a gift arrangement using this box. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's prepare our mechanics. So make sure that all the water have a proper receptacle by using a cellophane around it. Are all ready, so we're gonna start putting our flowers. So for this arrangement, I'm thinking of doing a groupings, like a group of roses, maybe a group of baby's breath, and a group of carnation. Let's do it. So you have the height and the diameter that you want for your arrangement. Just continue adding roses until you get the dome shape that you like. So we're done with the half of our arrangement, so just continue adding roses and make it nice round shape. Now we're done with the roses, let's proceed with our carnation. So I'll be using a 4x6 diameter box, and then I'm starting to fill it up with carnation. So this time I'll be using like 2 dozens of mini carnations. So now we're done with the carnation. Let's do the groups of our Pink Gypsophila. Let's go! Cut it per sprigs and make sure it's nice dome and round shape. So there you have it. We have 3 groups of flowers on a gift boxes, on a cylindrical gift boxes. So I hope you enjoyed our demonstration for today. So please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye!